Hey y'all.
What's up, y'all?
Hey y'all. Let me show you something, y'all. Oh yeah. Look at this. This is come from what Dayton or whatever, the Dallas, Texas. When we go last time, so we bought this one, remember? Yeah, this is a table. This is going to the our rebuild office or inside, you know. It's temporary put it here. But how you feeling, Papa? Kyo lage isko? Jabardast hai. Oh yeah, they remind us Fort Worth, y'all. Uh-huh. And look at this. Now this one I like. This one is going to one more land, not in here. I don't know. Let's look at this unique. And this is a table, yo. Ah, look like so nice, yeah. Arlington. This is nice, yeah. This is all everything handmade, wooden, you know. And it's everything wooden made, not a factory cut. See, everything handmade. This dude, you know. So very nice. This is our house, yo. Are you Masa? Dude, chokra, they are crazy about that. Aija. Are aao tome. Papa beshi nahi. Because so the sun going. Look, this is where here. And here beshi, and the sun chane. Sunset joy. Sun going down right there, eh? Uh-huh. Look at one Masa besha hai. Punima Masi kya kya? Punima Masi ko jao. मैं पण यहाँ chane. Feeling good, you know. Yeah, and there two about them two boys. Look at them. Anyway, it's beautiful here. It's a very reasonable deal. I'm telling you. I'm a joy on it. You know, this is a story for this thing. Me and Papa drove back from, you know, Fort Worth to here. Road ma joy, and we just saw and we come back, go back. And this is awesome. Oh yeah. ठाकुर तो गियो अब तुम्हारा क्या होगा रे Papa man. Papa, look like how to get new mama now. You in the line, Papa. Oh, look at them two. It's a beautiful sunset here, y'all. Yeah, they say they up 10-15 minutes. But Papa, we're leaving now, so. તમારા આવું છે બીચ ઉપર કે ખાલી આંટો મારીને પાછા આવીએ છે I know. Okay, guys, I'm just sharing with you, you know. It's nice and okay, so okay. What happened? Snake? Oh, sun. Okay, guys, we're gonna take some pictures, so you know. Photoshop now. You all love this car. And whoever I bought for still don't like it, so okay. Alhamdulillah. Papa love it. That's a Papa choice. Look at this sun. This is sunset, yo.
એક બિહારી ફોટો પડાવી દે ખોલો દરવાજો ખોલો અંદર બેસી જાઓ